Welcome. Excuse me. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you clicked on. This is the time of year where every photographer with some semblance of a YouTube channel puts together a video on what's in their camera bag. I am no different. Aww. Welcome back! In my last video I talked about the gear I need in order to improve my photography this year. That video is a great segue into this one. What's in my camera bag for 2021? So there's one teeny tiny thing missing. I actually don't own a camera bag. So this video is going to be about what's in my camera bag that I'm going to purchase sometime this year. So I keep changing spots because I just don't know where to sit in here. So what's in my bag? For a photographer, the most obvious is of course the camera. My camera is a Canon 6D Mark II. It is a beast of a camera because I have chosen to fall for the bigger camera, better photographer idea. It's not true. I got the battery pack kind of thrown in, so I ended up buying an extra battery. The next item in my backpack are lenses. You can't take pictures without lenses, of course. So I have the Canon 50mm 1.8. It's a beautiful little workhorse. It's actually the first lens I bought that is a prime lens just for this camera. Everybody needs a good 50mm lens. The other lens I just got for Christmas this year is a Canon 70-200. Oh, it's a beaut. It's image stabilizing, water resistant. High. Yeah. So one of the more important things you need for your camera is of course batteries. Now I don't have extra batteries right now. I'm not shooting long enough to warrant needing extra batteries in my bag. So I have two batteries for my camera and they're in the camera at all times. They last a long time, mainly because they're brand new batteries. Another important thing you need for a camera is an SD card. My SD card is 128 gigabytes. That's plenty of room for me for what I'm doing right now. It never fails. The next item on my list for bringing, besides camera lenses, SD and batteries, is a tripod. Now the tripod I use is a Neewer and it's rather big. When folded all up, it takes up a lot of room. It's not something you can, just stuff into the side of even a good camera bag. So one super important item when bringing a tripod is the base plates. I recently went on a shoot with a friend. Our goal was to get some long exposure shots because I've never done it before. So we were gonna go onto the bridge right over top of some moving cars and get those trail lines. It was just a fabulous idea. Except this schmuck forgot to bring her base plate for her tripod. So I did it handheld, which as you probably know is not great. It created a lot of shake and shimmy in each of the pictures, which I'll probably throw up on the screen at some point. So plates, that's super, super important. So I've mentioned the big items I take. I take my camera, my lenses, the tripod. I'm going to focus now on the little things. One item I recently discovered I should put in my bag is a flashlight, even just a little one. Now, in order to fit all that shit, I'm going to have to be a big girl, grow up, and buy a backpack that is specifically set up for camera gear. So there's a few other things, but it's more like weather related. So if you're going out to the mountains, you're going to want to bring, lots of winter gear and comfortable clothing, but you'll also want a set of gloves maybe that can touch the screens. Is that going to be it? If I lean close enough to the camera, my hair hides my cat. Hey, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you coming here, clicking on the channel, and seeing what I carry with me when I try and take pictures out and about. I think I drank all my coffee. Thanks for watching. If you'll do me the big favor and hit the like button down below, it apparently helps us creators out. If you'd like to see more videos, hit the subscribe button and then ding the little bell so you can get notified when I upload again. Whoops, you forgot to film the outro. Haha. Now everybody gets to watch a video of your cat while you record a new one. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you next time. Please, Your Highness, make yourself at home.